Gmail verification code not received. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first step you have to do is make sure you have a very stable internet connection. The next step is to check whether or not you have the latest version of Gmail. To do so, head over to your Play Store, search for Gmail and see if that is an update button. If it is there, simply tap on update and wait for it to be updated. Sometimes it might be because there is a lot of cache on your app and you have to offload it. To do so, head over to your settings, then apps, then Gmail, then on its storage section, simply tap on clear cache and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.